gotta get the snoring. You go. That's like video. That's the close up. I was like, maybe you gonna crash yours?
Yeah, let's put the Batman suit on. Batman's not gonna take pictures.
You'll wake up, you'll start waking up. And then he's done. He's done. Oh, yeah.
Mission accomplished,
Oh, Jesus. Thumbs up.
bro.
Yeah.
You got a camera in your hand.
I don't know. Fucking,
The peace sign.
it's fucking game over. Game over. Oh, wait, we should get the 360. Hold on. It's just like the Matrix shot. Not too close.